p.m., radar indicated that a tornado-producing storm was located over Winchester, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Greenville, Union City, Ansonia, Wayne Lakes, North Star, Rossburg, Palestine, Rose Hill, Cosmos, Sharpie, Brock, State Route 47 and US Route 127, Eldora Speedway, Abbotsville, Sharps Crossing, and Pikeville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.